Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into United Wholesale Mortgage account online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have your account on United Wholesale Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, in the search box or URL box, you may type in myuwmloan.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will directly take you to the login page for United Wholesale Mortgage. In the sign-in page, you have to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by clicking on the Create One Here link below the sign-in button. However, if you already have an account and you would like to access it and manage your mortgage, go to the first text box and type in your username. If you don't remember your username, you may click on the Forgot Your Username link below the text tab. On the next tab, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link under the tab. After filling in your correct login credentials, click on the Sign In button. You will then be logged into your United Wholesale Mortgage account. This is how you can easily log into your United Wholesale Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.